Welcome back to PennyWise Perspectives, your destination for all things personal finance. Today, we're delving into a topic that's often sidelined: 15 crucial money skills for everyone. Whether you're embarking on your financial journey or seeking to refine your money management prowess, this video packs a treasure trove of indispensable insights. Disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. The content in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. So, let's dive into today's focus. 1. True wealth. Realize that wealth isn't solely accumulated by saving. It extends beyond stashing money in a savings account. Investing smartly is key. Consider these strategies. Asset investment. The path to wealth often involves investing in assets that generate income. Think stocks, real estate, or small businesses offering potential appreciation and passive income. Diversification. Don't concentrate everything in one investment. Diversify across stocks, bonds, and real estate for a balanced, resilient portfolio. Compounding returns. Start early with investments and let compounding work its magic. The longer your investments compound, the greater your potential wealth. 2. Effective savings. Growing savings is more than setting aside money. It's about making your money labor for you. Emergency funds. Begin by building a financial safety net covering 3 to 6 months' expenses to shield against unexpected financial blows. High-yield savings. Seek accounts offering high interest rates, especially those from online banks, to maximize returns. Automated savings. Automate transfers from your checking to savings account, ensuring consistent savings. 3. Tax efficiency. Learn to leverage the tax system in your favor. Tax-smart investments. Opt for tax-advantaged retirement accounts or tax-free municipal bonds. Credits and deductions. Identify and utilize tax credits and deductions, reducing your tax liabilities legally. Professional guidance. Consulting tax professionals or financial advisors can assist in devising tax-efficient strategies. By grasping wealth-building principles, adopting savvy savings approaches, and mastering tax optimization, you'll be on the road to acing these essential money skills. 4. Leveraging. Utilize other people's money. OPM for financial acceleration. Real estate leverage. Use mortgages to acquire income-generating properties, potentially creating passive income. Business financing. Entrepreneurs often employ loans to kickstart or expand ventures, aiming to generate profits outweighing borrowing costs. Margin trading. Margin trading from brokerages allows borrowing for stock investments, magnifying gains and risks. 5. Income elevation. Rather than solely cutting expenses, focus on raising income. Skill investment. Continuously enhance education and skills, opening doors to higher-paying job opportunities. Diverse income streams. Explore supplementary income sources, side hustles, freelance work, or passive streams like dividends to boost earnings. Negotiating income. Fearlessly negotiate compensation packages, ensuring equitable pay based on industry standards. 6. Financial literacy. Master financial terminology and concepts. Educational resources. Access free financial education through online courses, books, and workshops. Budgeting basics. Understand budgeting fundamentals, aligning financial goals with your budget. Investment insight. Familiarize yourself with asset classes, risk tolerance, and investment strategies, including concepts like basis points. By embracing OPM's power, enhancing income, and prioritizing financial literacy, equip yourself with crucial tools for financial triumph. 7. Budgeting mastery. Define financial needs and align a budget with your goals. Expense tracking. Monitor expenses over several months to comprehend your spending habits. Goal-based budgeting. Tailor a budget catering to short and long-term objectives, such as debt repayment, vacation savings, or retirement funds. Detailed planning. Categorize expenses into essentials, housing, utilities, and non-essentials, entertainment, ensuring adequate allocation for savings and investment. 8. Retirement blueprinting. Strategize for a secure retirement. Needs assessment. Estimate retirement expenses considering lifestyle, healthcare, and inflation. Retirement accounts. Research options like 401(k)s, IRAs, or pension plans, taking advantage of employer matches or tax benefits. Long-term investment. Allocate retirement funds wisely, diversifying to manage risks effectively. Understanding that wealth encompasses more than money, safeguarding assets, and generating passive income are critical for financial progress. 9. Asset shielding. Safeguard wealth from unforeseen setbacks. Emergency funds. Develop reserves covering living expenses for unexpected situations. Insurance coverage. Ensure adequate health, life, auto, and homeowners/renters insurance to shield against various risks. Estate planning. Create legally binding wills or trusts, defining asset distribution to protect wealth and honor intentions. 10. Passive income. Create income streams independent of active work. Dividend investments. Explore stocks offering regular dividends for consistent income. Real estate ventures. Consider rental properties or REITs for reliable rental income. Side businesses. Launch or invest in ventures requiring minimal attention, online businesses, creative royalties, or automated e-commerce. 11. Income planning. Develop a structured monthly income plan. Fixed expense calculation. Determine fixed expenses, rent, utilities, insurance. Savings allocation. Ensure a portion of income consistently goes into savings and investments. Variable spending. Budget for variable expenses like groceries or entertainment to avoid overspending. 12. Holistic wealth. Acknowledge wealth's broader aspects beyond money. Health investment. Dedicate time to physical and mental health, realizing their importance over financial wealth. Relationship nurturing. Foster meaningful connections, forming invaluable support networks. Personal development. Invest in learning and skill enhancement, viewing acquired knowledge as a priceless asset. 13. Banking fee awareness. Stay vigilant to minimize banking charges. Fee understanding. Recognize different bank fees, overdraft, ATM, or maintenance fees. Fee mitigation. Employ strategies to avoid or minimize fees using a network ATMs, maintaining minimum balances, or switching to fee-free accounts. 14. Smart credit card use. Employ credit cards judiciously to avoid unnecessary debt. Full payments. Clear credit card balances monthly to avoid interest charges. Budget integration. Integrate credit cards into your budgeting strategy to avoid overspending. Credit score awareness. Understand how credit card usage impacts your credit history and manage it responsibly. 15. Investment fee management. Manage investment fees for optimal returns. Fee awareness. Understand expense ratios and their impact on investments. Low-cost investments. Opt for low-cost funds like index funds or ETFs to minimize fees. Negotiation opportunities. Explore negotiating lower fees for substantial investments with advisors or platforms. We've navigated through 15 crucial money skills for everyone, equipping you with invaluable insights for your financial journey. Drop your comments below on money-related topics you'd like in future videos. If you found today's content valuable, Consider smashing the like and subscribe button and share it with a friend. Let's embark together on a journey of abundance, financial intelligence, and turning our dreams of financial freedom into reality. Fam, check out these amazing t-shirts. Visit my Etsy shop through the link in the description and rock these witty tees like a boss. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.